Hare Krishna from ISKCON Toronto at 243 Avenue Road in Toronto. What you're seeing behind me is a lineup of devotees waiting to get their prasadam. As you may know, every Sunday we have literally 500, 600, 700 people who come in to attend the program, and at the end of the program, the free vegetarian prasadam is distributed. Prasadam is sanctified food. So that's being distributed here. It's free and it's all vegetarian. It's been offered to the Lord, therefore it's sanctified. Which means by honoring this prasadam, we become pure, and we become pure and then become more Krishna conscious, and then we start to serve Krishna, and by serving Krishna, we are able to get rid of the material world and go back to our Godhead, where we actually came from. And the main purpose of this life is to develop that love for Krishna in our heart, and prasadam is very helpful in developing that love in our heart. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Where is he now, the one who knows love? Untainted he flies as the Lord's dove. He teaches with strength in a peace so true. Krishna, we give thanks, he helps us find you. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Sriman Swami Nitinamine. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami
This is Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada is the personality who came to America in 1965 to spread Krishna consciousness. He was living in Vrindavan for many years, and he had instruction from his Guru Maharaj to go to the west and spread Krishna consciousness. So following his instruction, at the age of 69, he left India on a cargo ship called Jaladuta to come to America. And in America, he knew no one. So he landed in Boston on September 17, 1965. He did not know anybody. From there, he went to New York City, and again, not knowing anybody, he just wandered the streets. And finally sat down in a park called Tompkins Park, under a tree, and started chanting Hare Krishna Mahamandra. And from that beginning, he was able to attract thousands of disciples, thousands of actually white-bodied Western disciples, to come to him and understand the philosophy. And then he started traveling all over the world. As a matter of fact, in 12 years, he traveled the entire world 14 times. And wherever he went, he opened a temple. So by the time he was finished, he opened 108 temples across the world and thousands of disciples. That movement has continued to grow even after he left his body. And now we have more than 800 temples and centers across the world. And literally hundreds of thousands of devotees, actually millions of devotees, who are very much involved in this cause. By his inspiration, people continue to preach to other people, we distribute books, we give classes, we do seminars, we go out on the streets of different cities and do what's called Nagar Sankirtan, which is chanting on the streets of a city or a town. Lord Chaitanya, who's Lord Krishna appearing in the age of Kali 500 years ago, had predicted that one day in every town and village his name will be spread. And that was the mission that Srila Prabhupada took, and he went everywhere and spread the holy name of Lord Krishna. Especially the mantra called Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And he took that mantra and gave it to everybody across the whole world. And today, millions of people are chanting this, and everybody's benefiting. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
For example, we have to eat, everybody has to eat, right? So how to eat so that you are actually performing devotional service, right? And we have to speak, how to speak so that you are constantly on the transcendental platform, right? So these two books are lifestyle books which will help you to apply the philosophy of the Gita in a very quick way. From one day to the next you can start applying the philosophy,
Okay. And I'll read this first.
Yes.
This you must take note of. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि भद्रा पूर्णिमा पे जो श्रीमद् भागवत अपने घर में लेके आता है वो
George
सीधा
Harrison
भगवान
and
को
John Lennon were
doesn't come into this world again.
Beatles. Right? George Harrison said,
वो आपको गोविंदा सॉरी ठीक से मिल जाएगा जान
Prabhupada, Krishna Prasthaya Srimati Swami Namah